You cannot watch a VPJ file. It is a VideoPad project file. It only contains the editing timeline, not the video. You must open it in VideoPad and click Export Video. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the button. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted VPJ files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. A VPJ file is a project file created by VideoPad Video Editor, a software application used for video editing and production. These files contain references to video clips, audio tracks, images, and effects used in a video project, along with timeline information and editing decisions. They are essential for saving and reopening video editing projects. The VPJ file format is specific to VideoPad Video Editor. It is an XML-based format that stores project settings, media file paths, timeline data, and effect parameters. The format is designed for easy parsing and modification by the software, allowing users to seamlessly save and load their video editing projects. The structure is proprietary to NCH Software. The common standard viewer for VPJ is typically VideoPad Video Editor from NCH Software. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows can play back video content, but shot adjustments require editing tools. Your key initial action, right-click the VPJ file and select Open With. If VideoPad Video Editor is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the VPJ file opens. If you still cannot open your VPJ file, that is okay. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, use VideoPad. Open the file using NCH Software VideoPad, the required application for the video editing project. Next, locate Original Media. Ensure all original video clips and images referenced by the project are present in the same location, folder they were in when the project was last saved. Finally, export to MP4. Use the software's export function to render the project as a final MP4 or MOVI video file. Failures with installed programs usually stem from .vpj being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When it's time to stop the troubleshooting, your one-click fix is a universal viewer. I recommend FileMagick. It opens almost any VPJ format. Get it at filemagick.com. Remember to be patient with complex formats. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.